Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I want to show you how to forward a message to another user on the Signal app. This is quite different from other messenger app as it allows you to edit the message before sending it. So on your iPhone, open the Signal app, tap on a contact where you want to forward the message from, find your message and long press on it. Now you'll get some options down below. Tap on the right arrow to forward your message. Choose a contact which you want to forward the message to. Now tap on the blue arrow at the bottom. Now here you can edit the message and then tap on the blue arrow when you're done. The message will then get forwarded to the person you have selected. And there you go, that is how to forward message to another user on the Signal app. Hope you found this useful. If you have any questions, please don't forget to leave it in the comment section down below and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.